Secure your Elixir apps with Paraxial IO. From code analysis and bot defense to dependency checks, they've got you covered. Elixir first design with GitHub integration. Elevate your security at Paraxial.io. All right, and we are live.
Awesome.
Thanks for joining me, Zach. For those of you that don't know, Zach is the creator of the Ash framework, and I'm going to have a little crash course with the man himself. So I think this will be a lot of fun.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's nice not to do like a monologue or a lecture or a talk or whatever, but just to kind of, I don't know, we're going to play around, have some fun.
Yeah, we'll see. So we really planned for this. We came well prepared. We need some help figuring out what we're going to build. We were thinking building like a chatbot integration with Restream, since that's what I use for these live streams. But we're also concerned that we might waste too much time figuring out their API. But then we thought maybe we just let Claude vibe code that portion of our code and see how it goes. So I don't know.
So I'm looking at their docs, like the Restream docs. It looks like it's like you make an access token, so we'll make sure to expose that to the whole world so people.
Yeah, I'm really good at doing that.
And then it's like you make a WebSocket connection, and then it's just like you start getting some messages. So it may actually, like, we could probably do that not too bad
and see what's coming through the messages.
Right, and we can just kind of wing it, yeah. Like, okay, Dogbone wants to. So I hope you show how to use usage rules and AI vibe coding with Claude. I don't see all the chat because I'm not hooked up to all the stuff, but I do feel like that's probably step one, right?
Most people chat through YouTube, so you'll catch it all.
Okay, word up. All right, yeah. I mean, I feel like step one is like just let's get an Ash, like a fresh Ash app set up with like Ash AI and usage rules and stuff, so that we're like, able to get some stuff. And it sounds like people want to see vibe coding. I don't know, like I think we'll do a little bit of both, right? I think it would be good to use it the way like we've been using it probably in our daily developer lives, right? You got to write some code manually just to get it done faster. Right.
All right, let's see how I can do this. I'm not used to having OBS open and share my screen, so I gotta just move you guys over there, and then now I think I got this button here. Boom. And people should be able to see the Ash framework, ashhq.org website, which, dude, I don't know. I know I've said this before, but I love your new website. It just looks so sexy.
Hell yeah. Love it. So I am going to need you to stream also, though, into...
I need to share my screen with you.
Yep. And of course, my headphones are dying.
Uh-oh.
All right. That's cool. I got it. I'll figure it out.
Okay. Can you see my screen in video?
Yes. Yeah, I can.
All right, cool. I always forget about that. Oh, guys, go get the Ash Framework book if you haven't already. And I think I saw that Rebecca is in the chat.
Yeah, Rebecca's around. Oh, Brittany, that sucks. I'm sorry about that. But you're in good company here. We'll get you hooked up.
I just launched a job board. You should go apply. I'm looking for good candidates.
Synergy.
Yeah, Elixir Mentor /jobs. Dude, I am I'm pretty excited about that because it's gotten so much positive attention. I was like, I kind of just thought it was just going to be a thing that might kind of work, and it's gotten a lot of good energy through it. So that's cool.
I mean, look, we're seeing a lot of like a big revival in the Elixir community. I mean, revival is not the right word, but just an uptick, I think, because like we've, the whole tech industry has had some interesting like upheaval, but we've seen a lot of Elixir jobs coming through lately. And I'm like really hoping that there's so many people who have like, just not been able to get the job that they want, not been able to get an Elixir job.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I'm feeling that turnaround. So that's pretty exciting.
Yeah, I like hearing that. That's good. All right, Zach. So where do I get started? Teach me like I've never touched Ash before.
All right.
And I know you have this cool like little like get your installer. Do I want to use this?
Oh, this is cool. You have like both of us on. That's cool. Sorry, I'm like I just saw the stream now. You have us like both up on the corners. That's fancy, dude.
Oh yeah, we're both there. We're both chatting.
Hell yeah. All right. So yeah, you want to use the installer. I would for this case, I would do the advanced options.
All right.
And then let's see.
What are we calling this?
Okay, I think we'll try and we'll just call it. You can call it like yeah. Do it. Call it Rebot because like small. We don't have to type a bunch of stuff out.
I like that. All right.
And then we will probably we don't need much. We need live view. Magic link will be good. We can so we can log in. Although it's like we probably won't. That probably won't really matter, but because it's like a one user app, right?
Right.
Okay. Live debugger's good. The only thing is basically Ash AI, and let's toss in Tidewave while we're at it.
Okay.
AI section on the left.
AI section on the left. Oh yeah.
Left,
cool. And Ash AI, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Actually, you want Oban too. Add Oban because that's actually going to get brought automatically. So now that I think about it, so it doesn't really matter. But okay, that looks good to me. So there's a copy button down at the bottom.
Awesome. All right. Let's go.
Let's do it. Watch it like blows up. Step one. It does take some time though. It's like not the fastest installer.
That's okay. I forgive you. Look at how easy that was though. We just clicked on a few things and I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm giving Zach full access to everything on my computer.
It's like vibe coding, but with a human. The nice thing about that installer is like all of the things in there except for Phoenix itself can be added later. So like for those watching, like it doesn't really matter if you pick the things. Actually, if you go back to the installer while this builds, I'll show you. If you go back to the installer, there's a button up near the top that says I already have an app.
What is going on? I don't care. All right.
Existing app.
Oh, actually, existing
right
app.
Yeah.
Cool.
So then you actually can see like just get an installer for these things for a specific application.
Oh,
so if you like just wanted to install Ash Admin, if you like uncheck GraphQL and Postgres or something, like like it'll only install like the things that you actually need.
Nice.
So that's pretty cool. Although Ash Phoenix shouldn't be in that list. You shouldn't need that, but whatever. So cool stuff.
Who built this thing?
I know what a piece of. Well, wait, I don't want to get you like demonetized or something. I don't know.
Yeah,
all right,
I won't get my like
6
cents from this,
dude. That 6 cents might go a long way.
Actually, I mean, it's nothing amazing, but I am surprised. Like, I'll make like $50 a month off YouTube. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, hell yeah, dude. Is it mostly like ads or like from your existing videos, or how does it work?
No, yeah, from views and like members. The members is a big portion of that. Yeah. So thank you for everyone that's a member supporting me.
What up, Big Snacks? I like that. Oh, my career to Elixir. I'm the same way, man. Like it's crazy how much we like stack up on top of all the other people. Like Jose made Elixir, Chris McCord made Phoenix, and it's like all of these things that stack up, and it's like it's been a great bet for me. Like it's just I couldn't be happier with it.
I mean, I have my career because of Elixir. I'd probably still be like a iOS developer without Elixir.
Ew. No.
Yo,
I mean,
iOS isn't bad. I enjoy writing Swift.
Yeah. I mean, I think like a lot of things for me, like of all of the things, actually like native stuff is kind of what that makes the most sense. It's like you need server code and you need native apps. Like
it even moved me into the project.
Yeah, you're there. And
wow.
it made a commit with a little flame on it. You see that?
Nice.
I don't know if that's what that flame is, but if you look at like git status.
Oh, it's just telling me I think I have uncommitted.
Oh, okay. If you do git log, I mean, actually, you should have.
Oh yeah, initial commit flames. But cool.
It should do it after all the installs, so that's kind of a problem. You should add all that stuff and commit it, just so that you have a clean slate. That's actually, I'm going to put that on my list to make the commit after we install all the stuff, not before. All right, commit after.
All right, now we're here. Let's make this bigger for everyone. Let me know if this is big enough. I know Zach is going to be blocking my docs, my directory tree, but we'll survive.
Okay, so the one thing we'll want to do now is we're thinking we'll use probably Claude if we're going to do any vibe coding, so we want to set like that up.
Yeah, which is already here. We can just go like that.
And
cool. If you guys want to see how to install Claude and like Tidewave, go to the live stream I did with Andrew and Daniel. They set it all up with me, and it's pretty easy. But we won't have to waste our time with that one. Why isn't this working? There we go.
Okay, so actually I don't use VS Code, so I didn't. That's like cool. You have like a Claude sort of embedded in there. But before we do that, we want to set up usage rules. And so in your terminal history, I think you should have, or you can just go to the usage rules docs. But like if you scroll up, there should be a notice at some point telling you like how to do. We should display them after the task output. Like, look, I'm learning stuff. There should be a command that makes usage rules. Yeah, but then you'll just use Claude.md instead of agents.md. Actually, yeah, no, that's right. You're good. Do that.
This is what I'm running right here.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay. Display notices after tasks. Alrighty. So now if you look,
it's probably rare you do things from the beginning a lot, right? So it's like, yeah, it's hard to catch all this stuff. All right, so we have an agents MD, or was that already there?
You should rename that to Claude.md though, for Claude to pick it up.
All right.
Okay, so now this has all the like usage rules stuff. So if you scroll, like there's some really important things. You can see like we link to the doc or to the package. That's like to keep your context kind of clean.
Okay.
But then you see, like, if you scroll down, you can actually see the usage rules for usage rules. And this is something that actually is kind of new that we've set up. That's actually like, honestly, it like usage rules was good even before this, but now it's like on steroids, which is, you see those mix tasks we tell it to run, mix usage rules.docs and stuff like that. And mix usage rules.search docs.
Oh, yeah.
So that tells it how to find docs for things that it doesn't have docs for, even without Tidewave being present. Which is really cool. So, sometimes you don't even necessarily need Tidewave. Anyway, you should be basically set up to vibe code stuff. And the only thing I might suggest is like, while we're doing this, like we haven't figured out the good wording that makes it use usage rules and research a lot. So like my suggestion would be up at the very top of your Claude.md, just put like, in all caps, underneath, up even above that comment, and just say like always research usage rules before implementing anything or whenever encountering an unexpected error. Okay. And do research usage rules and use usage, or I would say like also consult the mix tasks for usage rules. Yeah, that's good enough. We just basically like really want to encourage it to use these, and sometimes it's not like eager enough.
Okay, and then I always tell it to review its knowledge base.
Yep. I think it automatically picks up changes to Claude.md, right?
Does it? I don't know. I feel like sometimes it doesn't. So like every time I start a session, I tell it to. But maybe I don't have to actually do that. Who knows?
Who does know? All right. Good to know some stuff. Alrighty. Cool. So now the next thing that we want is, do you have an OpenAPI key already set in your environment?
No.
Okay, so you should go like do that off screen or something.
Yeah, I'll do that off screen.
Because, and I have one I can share with you as well if you don't have it easy.
I think I have one generated that I can grab. I just don't have.
Okay.
It's been a minute since I've used OpenAI.
Right. That's the one that has that we like default to for the demo that we're going to generate.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Verification code. Sometimes two-step auth is so annoying.
Yep. I'm getting logged into mine so I can share one if there's a problem. What the hell? What the hell?
Yeah, then I can keep using that API key and then ChatGPT is free, right?
Uh-huh. That's how it works. Finders keepers.
I'll build a whole product with it.
Okay. Yeah, okay. I do have one if you need one, but it sounds like you're good.
I'm slowly getting there.
For those watching, we're going to have some really cool stuff really shortly. We're going to once we set this API key, it's like, boom, Bob's your uncle.
If I can actually do this. What is going on? ChatGPT, come on, man. Just let me in.
I can send you one. I got it. It's in my clipboard.
All right, send it to me. That'll save some time.
All right.
You can do the video chat.
Oh, yeah, that's smart. All right. Chat. Okay. So that'll be under like open_API key or something that you want it to be. You'll probably have to restart your. Oh no! Wait.
I set it? I set it in Claude, or where do I set it?
You want to set it in like your environment, like Zishen.
Oh, gotcha,
or whatever. Like.
Okay.
But on a different screen. Yeah, there you go.
You don't want me to do it on my shared screen?
I'm pretty sure I have a spending limit, so I wouldn't like obliterate me, but you know.
All right, 1 second. All right. All right, so I'm going to set it as export OpenAI _API key.
Yeah, we can. I forget exactly what it is, but you'll see here shortly. So maybe we'll have to fix it, but it doesn't really matter.
Is there an actual name I should name it?
Yeah, okay, let's get to the next step and then you'll see. So in a terminal here, run it's mixashai.gen.chat.
Okay, 1 second. I forgot how to pull up. I'm just going to make a new window. 1 second.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, what am I running?
Okay, mixashai.gen.chat and then --live. So
mixashai
.gen.chat --live.
Like that?
Yep.
All right.
You can accept any prompts that you get along the way.
Let's see how chat is blowing up. Dinesh thinks we should do it on the screen.
Zach, of course he does.
Zach won't let me. Cool. I'm just some random guy from the internet too, and he just gave me his API key.
I know, right?
It's dangerous.
Hold on. Now I actually do need to check if I have a spending limit set. All right. It cannot cost me more than $500. So
if we do that, I'll Venmo you.
Perfect. All right. So if you look in config/runtime, you'll see what the API key is that we're expecting you to set. Or like so that should be the up at the top right there.
Okay, cool. Now we'll do this right on the screen.
Nice.
Okay, open AI. Yeah. All right, cool. Now I have to go find your key again.
I'm watching now for the potential free OpenAI key.
I am known
it's actually kind of funny
things.
I feel like that's actually kind of funny. Like you could just do like during your stream, like that would be a good way to get viewers. It's just like maybe we'll leak an API key also.
We might leak it, guys. It's a possibility. All right, we should be good to go. Do I have to restart my terminal session? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna edit my budget for this month to $100.
Wow, you're such a chicken, dude.
I know. I should live on the edge.
Yeah, well, zero risk. That's no fun. People want to see the risk, Zach. All right.
Now, if you do mix ash dot. Actually, we already did ash dot codegen. Do mix ash dot setup or migrate. It doesn't matter. The same thing. All right, that warning.
All right, we got a database. For everyone that's wondering, I already have Postgres running on a local host in my Docker. So if you want to know how to do that, I have videos.
You got videos for everything, man.
I do.
Okay, now you can run the server. And then if you go to...
Why? Okay.
Now if you go to /chat, then interesting. I don't think that's our problem.
Okay, so localhost /chat.
Yeah, and then you can sign in. No, the dark theme doesn't look quite right, but whatever. And that'll be like /dev/
oh yeah, I gotta do is it dashboard or no?
People are trying to troll us. Say you're sharing both windows. Why move to another window? Sure we are.
What is the inbox? I forget.
/dev/ mailbox, I think.
Yeah, cool.
There you go. Command click that or something. Well, yeah. No, it's like you got to click it again. Well, now you can't use that one again.
Dang it!
But maybe it'll work if you.
Maybe it'll let me in. It'll let me in.
Yeah.
Cool. Wait.
All right. Cool.
Maybe
so
not.
Now hit. Well.
Okay.
Yeah,
cool.
You go. Okay. So this on its own is like basically ChatGPT, like an interface. So you can just like start talking to it if you want.
Dude, I love the Ash AI logo. It's cool.
I bet you can guess who made it, given the theme.
A designer.
Yeah, if ChatGPT, you are a logo designer counts. Okay, you can just say something.
Logo designer. Did it work?
Maybe not. Maybe there's an error log in your, what does it say? Could not fetch OpenAI API key because it is not set. Okay, so something's not working there. Try it in a different window. Yeah.
Let's see. Open AI API. It is not found. I have to reset it, I guess.
Where did you set it in one of your like config files, or how did you set it?
I just did an export.
Oh, you'd have to do it. You have to do it in like your one of your end files or profiles or something along those lines, because it won't persist.
Okay, I'll throw it in my. Let's see.
Yeah, actually, okay. Konstantin has a good example. What up, Lou? All right, which is you can write it to a .env file. So make a .env in the directory of the project.
Yep.
And then you can write export equals inside that .env. Nope. Yeah, I mean, we just don't do it on screen.
I didn't do it on screen. That was a different window, was it not?
Okay. I don't know.
Now
so is there a .env?
Now I'm nervous. Okay,
honestly, I don't. It's like, who cares? It's
all
right. There's a limit, but whatever. So make a .env file in the root directory.
No, I'll move it.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, and then you can do export. Oh,
did I move it out? No, come on, out.
Do
where did I just put it?
It doesn't matter. You can leave it there. You can leave it there.
I'm gonna just do it through.
Okay.
Through this. All right. Okay.
Boom. All right. Now in the .env file, you can say export.
And then put the API key.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. I'm gonna just do vim insert. Whoops.
Yeah, I feel confident we're going to lose this API key, but that's okay. That's why we have spending limits.
You have no trust in my ability?
No. I'm responding to Dinesh. Actually, I know Lou. He's gonna take that API key 100%.
Dinesh, you have no trust in my abilities to hide API keys.
Okay. So we're good now. So now you can source.env. All right, baller. Now you can run the server.
All right.
Okay. So now if we go back to chat and you can start a new chat, or it doesn't really matter, but.
New chat. Let's see. I still want to know. Oh, it's working.
There you go.
All right.
Cool. Okay. So we have like a basic sort of AI setup now. And just to show you like what that looks like, if you go to like where the bulk of this logic is happening, if you go to the respond.ex file in the code base, you'll be able to see kind of like what we're doing.
All right. So let's see, respond.ex.
Okay. So this is like, it's generated into your app like any other thing. So you can change how it works. You can do all sorts of stuff, but basically this is kind of a template to get you started, which is we read all of the messages for the conversation. We generate a system prompt and then we build up like the sort of chain of messages, and then we use LangChain under the hood. And this little bit, that line on, what is that line? Some 41 is like that's an important thing, which is that tools thing. It's an empty list now, but we'll be able to kind of like, roll forward on it.
Okay, cool.
And like, that's what we'll kind of enhance. So, yeah, I mean, this is basically the basis for like the whole AI chat side of things. Now we kind of just need to decide what it is that we want to do. So like we've talked about doing like setting up a Restream API listener. And I think this is gonna be a good example for people to see like us like vibe code something if we want, which is like, just paste in a thing like basically, hey, like make the resources and a gen server that will listen to the Restream API, listening to messages, and will like create chat, create a Restream message whenever somebody sends a message. And then we can we don't have to like do anything crazy reactive, but then we could, once we have that, we can start like fiddling with it and like give our chatbot access to the messages and stuff.
And I'm going to have to juggle another API key that we can't expose.
Oh no. Yeah. I mean, we could also come up with something like a little bit more chill to demo. Like,
no, I think this is fun. Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
See, I'm a risk taker. I'm okay with exposing my API keys.
I mean, with the Restream, well, actually, no. I just thought about it. Like, people could probably like kill your stream with a Restream.
Probably like right here. They could probably pirate it. I don't know. You know what's cool is this. We'll probably be able to test it with the current stream as we build it out. So that'll be fun.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, we can blow up our app live. All right. So I want to just pull up some Restream docs. I kind of looked at them. Let's see, Restream. I think this will get us somewhere. Getting started.
Okay.
Creating an app. We probably have to create an app, huh? Developer portal.
Oh my gosh, what a pain in the ass.
I'm going to just do this off screen. Sorry, guys. You're not allowed.
Soon you guys are gonna be interacting with our AI though. Like, look at that. We're gonna do that. Just wait.
Yeah, but only for $100.
Look, if we hit that budget, I'll up it.
I'm just
if you and I hit that budget. If
we hit that,
if Dinesh finds a way to get this key and hits that budget, then I will not be moving it.
If you pass a URI in an OAuth request.
Oh no! Do we have to like redirect? I don't think we need to like OAuth.
I don't think we're gonna have to. We're gonna.
You just need an API key.
You must specify at least one URI for authentication to work. If you pass a URI in an OAuth request, it must match one of the URIs you entered here.
Oh no. We have to set up like an OAuth bearer token and all this crap. Like,
dang it.
Come on. I don't want to do that. Maybe does YouTube have API keys for chat? We could maybe only make it work for YouTube.
Yeah, let's try that. YouTube developer API.
Yeah, so it looks like there's API keys for, let's see. This says there's no official publicly available YouTube chat WebSocket for API for third-party developers to directly connect and interact. Okay.
Rude.
Oh, this is YouTube live streaming API. Oh, okay. Hold on. Part of the broader YouTube data API. Oh man, we may need to pull an audible. Oh, you know what? No. Okay. I know how we can make our lives a lot easier. Maybe.
We
could do it with the.
We might be able to do this.
All right, that you should put on your other screen though.
Yeah, I'm getting nervous.
Okay, we could also use the Discord API though instead, and just like hook it up to your Discord server, because that actually is like pretty easy. And like, there's a thing called Nostrum that lets you like listen to.
Okay, let's do that. I have a Discord chat channel, so.
Hell yeah! All right, we figured it out, chat. We'll get you up in here. Okay, so you'll need a Discord. You will need to set up a Discord app, which is not too difficult, and you'll need to set like a private key.
Yeah,
But I'm
I've done
actually
this.
wondering, like, I already have. Oh yeah, you have. Okay.
I already
Do you have a
have
Discord bot currently?
yes. So we can probably just use that, right?
Yeah, hell yeah, we can. You just need to get your, like your private key or whatever.
I better do this on another screen. Sorry, guys. Sorry for not giving you all the secret juice.
What's really funny is here we are, like the hard part now is just like getting API keys. Like once we have the API keys, we'll have an app in like 10 minutes. But we have to like, it's crazy.
All right, so I have let's see, I have the public key, application ID. Is there?
Okay. So what we're gonna do, is go to the Nostrum docs.
How do I Nostrum?
Nostrum. Yep, Elixir. Add like not Dr. Martin's.
Not
it thinks you're looking for Nordstrom rack.
Nostrum. Did I spell that right?
It's got a U in it. Nostrum.
Nostr.
There you go. Okay. So now what I would suggest is just let's make Claude do it. And just paste this into Claude and be like, set this up. Paste this intro link.
Okay.
And be like, hey, set up Nostrum.
All right.
All right, y'all. You're gonna see some vibe coding now.
Boom, boom. Oh, I should have committed what we have to clean up because I like to keep an eye on this. Let's see. Initial. Let's see. Chat setup.
Perfect. Okay, so what does it want to do? I'm assuming it's just adding it.
It's just asking to make that change. I'm gonna just go ahead and let it auto, and we'll watch our Git diff here.
Using this API key setup Nostrum. I love how we've managed to build up the tension, the suspense in this live stream.
Everyone's on the edge of their seats just waiting to screenshot an API key. All right, like if you guys can screenshot an API key during the stream, I feel like we should have a prize. That would be fun.
Yeah, whoever gets it first. All right, it's waiting on you.
Whoever gets it, I'll buy them the Ash Framework book. First, whoever gets it first. I'm not buying like 100 Ash Framework books. Yeah, just figure it out, dude.
You're like, come on.
Oh, it used the wrong version. Let's see what
dummy.
It's actually 10.4. Now it got it. That is pretty cool that I can do that.
Right. Like, I'm also surprised that it didn't just figure that out from the page that we just linked it. Like it says specifically.
It's almost like it didn't even use that link. What the hell?
YouTube DL. What is YouTube DL?
Is someone chatting about it?
No, like how is it configured? What is YouTube DL? YouTube. Oh, it specifies the path for playing audio. Okay, we don't care about that. That's fine. That doesn't matter. We can just leave that being nil. All right. It's creating a basic thing. That's good. So we'll be okay. Now oh yeah, okay. Let's see what happens. So what we want to do is we're going to need to set the whatever its private key is. If you look in like what it said in runtime.exs or x's, whatever, it wants us to set Discord bot token. So you can get that from your Discord setup, and we'll set that in your .m.
So it's probably in my bot.
Yep.
Can I get an existing token, or am I going to have to make a new one?
I think you'll probably have to make a new one.
I'm going to have to...
You could make a new bot if you wanted.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a new
using...
bot because I can't break my current one. So new application, we'll call this Rebot. Now it should be called Disbot.
That's true.
Oh, Disbot sounds cool. We can make it like just like troll people
watching
us.
This is also going to get everybody in chat to join your Discord server when they're going to
get. Yeah, that's right, guys.
Yeah, if you want to interact with it, I will say we're about to get like somebody is going to put some stuff up on your screen that you don't want up there, but you know, it is what it is. It's just chat messages, right?
Yeah, guys, just be nice. All right. Where is everything? Oh, bot. Here we go. Okay, what permissions does our bot need? It needs to be able to send messages.
Give it.
I might just make it an administrator. Yeah.
Do it.
Because I don't want it to slow us down. Yeah. If this turns into something I use, I'll dial it down, but...
Right.
All right, copy. For security purposes, can only be viewed once. I didn't view it at all. Reset, yes, do it. All right, here we go. Let's see, token. And now, whoop.
Super secret.
Window, vim.evm. Insert. What is the bash command to like get to the end of a line? I always forget, or vim, I should say.
$?
Is it? No. I always forget. I'm always like, I'm going to remember all my little shortcut keys, and then when I need to do it, I can't. All right, so this is called Discord _ bot _ token. And let's set that equal to write and quit, and then okay.
All right. So now you're going to need to source it. You're going to need to source it again. Did you source it?
Yes, I did.
Okay. So, it looks, did we get an error if you scroll up? Oh yeah, it's just saying you have to restart your server.
All right.
You have to source it in here though, in this file.
Oh, that I need to do.
Yeah, there you go. Or in this terminal, yeah. Alrighty. So it says it should respond to ping messages now. So let's just see what happens if I go into your Discord server. I guess I'll do it. Should I go in like general or something, or should I do this live stream chat? Here, let's say ping.
I probably have to add it to a channel, don't I?
Oh yeah, you got to add it to your bot, right? Yeah, I think you can like, there's like an invite link on your settings that you can paste as a message into your own chat room, and then click the button to invite it. That's like the fastest way to do that.
I find that in this bot.
It's like, yeah, it's in the Disbot settings. There should be like a bot link or something, or a copy bot link, something like that.
Bot link.
It's something. Here, I'll check on my own bots. Yes, Discord, I am human. Okay, I will scan your QR code. Oh my God. Since when did the internet become so inconvenient?
I don't know where this is.
We'll find it. All right. What the hell?
I might just, I think I can just find it in, I wonder, Connie, are you watching this stream? He's my little Discord Ninja. He helps me set up everything. Server settings.
Okay, so if I go to a bot, installation, install link, Discord provided link. So go to the installation section under your bot. And under install link, do Discord provided link, and then copy that link and paste it into your Discord server.
All right, I'm going to paste it into the live stream chat channel.
Yep. And then you should have a button that says like add to.
Heartbeat just hit on the logs here.
That's out from that's like you get that without even being connected.
No, okay, I see it's happened before.
So now you have to click on that link that you pasted in and it should go.
Add to server.
Yep.
Yep, add it to Elixir Mentor. Keep scrolling. Oh, I just had to auth code. Oh my gosh, Discord. One-time password, paste. All right, success.
We did it.
Is it in there?
Dude. All right. Let's make we're almost there. We're so close. Oh, did it work? Did you invite it?
It should be. Let's see.
I just typed ping. It says it's supposed to respond to that. Oh wait, I see welcome. No. Announcements. No.
Let me see if it's actually. Let's see.
Maybe. Do you need to like restart it or something? I don't think so. It should just
like restart the server.
Yeah, it couldn't hurt though.
I'm not seeing.
If you click on the
is the Disbot actually?
I don't think it got added. I think you might need to try accepting the link. You're clicking on that link again.
Use this app everywhere. Add to server.
Yeah, add to server.
Add to server.
Yep.
Add to Elixir Mentor. Let me see. Members. I'm going to search for Disbot. It's not there.
So it's like not working when you do that?
So EM Events bot is there. Restream bot is there. Yeah, it's not.
What happens after you add it?
It says that it's successfully added, but it's not showing up in the server.
Do you need to like give it more permissions or something, or default install settings? Oh. Okay, in your install link settings. Okay, go back to the installation in Discord. And then,
all right. Yep.
So underneath that, you see default install settings.
Yeah.
Give it add to the scopes, add bot, and then permissions administrator. And then save.
To the user install?
Yeah, it should be like default install settings. You want to do guild install.
Guild install.
Guild install.
Bot.
Yep.
Okay.
And then administrator under permissions and then save.
And then okay, cool.
Now you can click your link again, I think, and it'll install as a proper bot.
All right. You know,
it's gonna be so cool when we get there, though.
Now I can't find my channel. Guys, I'm struggling. Live stream chat. There we go. Thanks, Zach. I needed that. Add to my server. Continue. Administrator. Okay, let's see. I got a wick logs. Disbot has triggered my join gate, but I think that means it's there. I see him online. Cool.
Oh, hell yeah. Okay. And we got an argument error
All
in
right.
the handle event. So what happened? We can look at code.
So let's see. Discord consumer handle event. So now I feel like we should use Tidewave.
Yeah. Is Tidewave set up in your probably? Yeah. I don't know.
I think so.
Let's find out.
Nope. I forgot what the command is.
Yeah, you have to do it in.
I just had to. I'm gonna have to look at the docs. I don't remember. Tidewave, add MCP server. That's not what I wanted. MCP, Claude code.
Oh, that's annoying. You actually just want to use it's like Claude MCP add or whatever is all you really need.
Is that all? And then the directory or the path?
Yeah. Let me see. Claude MCP.
Oh, run
install.
Claude MCP. Because I do have it. Let's see. Do I just do?
You might have it. You probably just have it in a different project or something.
I do. I just MCP.
So then you can do.
What are the? Do I have to do the path to it? Add.
Yeah. So do add and then Tidewave. So the name of the server. And then the path is whatever the path to.
Yeah, let me find it.
It's to your MCP proxy.
Yeah. Boom.
Okay, and then no, you have to do more. You have to add the URL. So localhost whatever 4000 /tidewave /MCP.
What is it?
I think it's /tidewave /MCP.
Tidewave /MCP.
You missed it. E after tide. Okay, and you'll probably have to remove it. But go ahead, just see if that works. Yeah, so you have to Tidewave, Claude MCP remove Tidewave, and then you can Claude MCP add. Okay, so I think you might need to restart Claude code now. And then you can do /MCP.
Oh,
okay. I believe in you. Did we get it right? Is it /tidewave /MCP? I think it is.
We might have got it wrong.
We can see it. It'll be in the N. No, let's see. Tidewave. Yeah, /tidewave /MCP.
Tidewave /MCP. I wonder if I should put the full. Yeah, let me put the full.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it failed.
All right, so you have to remove it first, and then yeah.
Did I start it? I did. All right, now MCP. Hey, we're connected.
Yeah. Okay, so now, let me send a message so that it gets another error though, because it doesn't have the logs yet.
Oh
so
yeah.
Say ping. All right.
All cool. Right. All right. Now use Tidewave to debug errors from logs.
Sick.
Do it. Oh man, I can't even keep up with chat. It is blowing up.
It's good stuff, actually.
Yeah.
Good advice.
All right. Get docs. Okay. I'm going to just let it go. I don't want to keep saying that it has to get my permission with logs.
Yeah, you can let it just hack away.
Put in auto accept.
All right. So now
this should resolve, it says.
I'll try a ping. You may need to restart or recompile. You have to restart, yeah. All right. Did it work? I did a ping. We didn't get an error. So that
we
did
didn't
something.
get an error. So
what does it do? What does the Discord bot look like right now? What is it? Discord consumer, I think is what it's called. What does that code look like?
Let's look. Whoop.
So it should be creating a message. Okay, let's just tell it that message.create there isn't working. And then
message.create doesn't seem to be working.
Or handle message. Oh yeah, no, that seems right. Yeah.
I could throw some logs in here, I suppose, but
yeah, I mean, well, I would tell it like add a bunch of logs and debug statements or something like. I'll keep pinging it so that it starts to figure its life out. Although I don't know if it'll automatic. It's not going to automatically. If you do, I don't know. Will it automatically recompile or anything like that? Probably not. Detailed. Okay, so let's see.
Try sending ping or help. All right,
if you do IEX, do IEX Phoenix server, so then you can.
Oh yeah. What is it?
Dash capital S.
Dash capital S mix, right?
Yeah, Phoenix.server.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to send a ping.
Handling message from blank from channel.
Okay, so now tell it to check the logs. It should be able to see what it's doing wrong. Like it doesn't seem like it's figuring out what the actual message out like message.content isn't populated or something.
I can see the bot receiving messages. There's a message, but no ping or help commands.
Tell it to inspect the whole message or like log the whole message or something so we can see. I mean, that's not the whole thing, but that's all right. All right, let me ping.
Does it recompile?
Yeah.
Oh, no up.
Okay.
All right.
So does it have? Does it not see the message content actually?
Your username.
I don't
message content.
Okay, so the content isn't coming. So maybe it's your bot. Maybe it's your bot permissions actually.
I think it's a admin though.
It says a bot might not have proper permissions to read message content.
All right, let's look. Let's
yeah, I think you're gonna have to add send messages. I mean, yeah, maybe administrator doesn't include all the other ones, like send messages. And
when I click administrator, it puts everything else as dark and I can't select it.
When
I'm Discord, creating the token.
Oh, really? For me, I can select all sorts of other things.
Even when administrator is selected?
Well, go to the installation. Are you in the installation under default install settings?
Oh, no. Let me see. Installation. Default install settings.
And then manage messages and add. So manage messages, create messages.
Okay.
Or something like that. Is there a create message? Send messages. So we want send messages, probably manage messages. I don't see like view messages.
Send messages. Is there a read messages? Read message history.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe that's it.
Send messages in threads. Why not?
Yeah. There's also manage messages.
Yeah, so I have administrator, manage messages, read message history, send messages in threads.
All right, let's try that. So if you save it, then you go back into Discord and you click on your link again to invite the bot with new permissions.
All right, cool.
But I don't think you have to paste a link. I think you just use the same link.
Oh yeah, and there all the permissions are. Authorize. And I have to do my stupid 2auth code again. All right. All right. It's still empty. Full message structure. Restart your server. Maybe let me just try restarting it all. Okay. What's going on? Oh, something blew up. There we go.
We spent like an hour trying to set up a Discord bot.
We haven't even gotten into the Ash stuff yet.
I know.
Oh, man. Guys, okay. We'll get there, I promise.
Privileged gateway intents under bot.
Disallow means disallowed. Okay, so is rejecting connection because require privilege intents. So.
Okay. I see. Yeah. Presence intent, server members intent, message content intent. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's down there under privileged gateway intents.
Wait, where are you seeing this?
Under the bot panel on the left side of Discord.
Okay. Privilege.
So you should see.
Oh, here we go. So I need to toggle on
content intent.
Message content. Okay.
And then I don't know. I think maybe
I might have to. I think I'm gonna have to recreate my.
I think you can use the same link. Just click on that link again to bring it in.
Okay, let's try it.
And then just for good measure, we'll restart our server. All right, I'm gonna send a ping. We did it.
Hey.
I see Pong in the Discord channel. For those watching, if you go to join the Elixir Mentor
cool.
Discord
Here.
and
Pong.
go to the live stream chat. Yeah, there you go.
I probably shouldn't show everyone's names there.
All right. Okay. So now let's tell it to okay, we're gonna do some hash code. We're gonna say we want to store all of the live stream chat messages that come through in the live-stream-chat channel.
We want to store all of the chat messages that come through in the, I don't know the name of this channel, the live stream chat channel.
Live-stream-chat. So maybe say like create a Nash resource for storing this. I mean, you probably actually don't even need to tell it to make an Ash resource because it already knows this is an Ash app, but you know, being more specific.
It doesn't, I feel like you got to tell it.
I mean, the usage rules really do help, but I do.
Does it?
Like, yeah, it doesn't hurt to.
Hey, wow, look at all these.
See, I always disable the Tidewave get ecto schemas thing because like that tool doesn't make sense if you're working with Ash, but it's fine. You can just
or not use it.
Oh, you know what you should do? Actually, hold on. Cancel this. Go to your Tidewave or go to your MCP again. Like go to your terminal. We're gonna add another MCP.
All right.
So do Tidewave, like press up to go to your the when you added that, and we're gonna change the name from Tidewave to Ash AI. And then in the route, we'll change it to Ash AI as well. So
underscore AI.
Yeah, underscore, yep. And then same in the route at the end.
Like that?
Yep. Okay, now if we, yep, and then restart your Claude. And then I think you can just tell it, yeah, I don't know.
We're connected.
Boom. Okay. All right. Now I think you can can you press up to get to your previous message? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you can do create an Ash resource. It doesn't really matter. Boom. Researching usage rules. You can let it do that whenever it wants. Yeah. Yep. And that one can do whenever it wants to. And now it's reading the Ash usage rules.
Sweet. So curious how many people just joined the server. One, just two.
Bruh, join the server if you wanna hang out.
Yeah.
I don't know why it wants to use get ecto schemas, but you can just let it do that whenever it wants to. It doesn't really matter. All Ash resources are ecto schemas, actually.
Does it automatically know to use the Ash MCP, or how does that work with Tidewave?
They work together.
Oh, okay.
Because it used it when it did list resources. That looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, auto accept.
Right. It's gonna add the resource to the domain. It should use the installers actually, but it doesn't really matter, or the generators, but
oh, should we like yell at it to do that?
No, it's fine.
Look at the Discord bot just like in the chat. Oh, you probably can't see it. It's in the Restream chat. It actually does the ping pong back for me from Discord.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, I saw it. Oh wait. Do we see it in? So in your Restream chat, you see it. That's fun.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can let it do that too. So we're good. We've added the messages.
So CodeGen is creating like our migration files and all of that good stuff, right?
Yep. So now what it will need to do is like actually use that to store messages though. Like,
so if I pull up
did it?
the database,
Yep.
I gotta close some sensitive things from work. 1 second. All right, let's see. This is called the rebot dev. Public tables. All right, so we have stuff. Oh, this is from chat. What did we name this? Did it tell us? Let's see.
Live stream messages.
Live stream messages. Okay, it's not there yet. So we haven't ran mix migrate. Or
oh yeah, we? You can run mix ash.migrate. Yeah. If it ran mix ecto.migrate, that would have worked too. So it doesn't really matter. But
all right, now let's see if that's there. Okay, so now we have our table.
Cool.
Here, let me make a third desktop. Pull over data grip here.
All right. So it's not, I don't think it's set up the logic. We need to tell it to do this to now, whenever it gets a message, that it needs to save it in that resource. You could commit what we have so far too, if you want.
All right, I'll do that.
Like we have.
All right, so we have a live stream message resource created. All right.
Okay.
Now we need to save it from the bot, right? Or persist.
Yep.
This is the most chat that's gone down in my Discord live stream channel since I started it.
Hell yeah.
All right, let's see what it's doing here.
Sweet. Alrighty. So now, I mean, we should be able to see if you, oh nice, it just like made a message. If we pull up the database and I say something like, okay, let me say like, hello in Discord. Okay, refresh that. Do you get,
hey,
there we go.
That's pretty cool.
Chat in the channel, y'all, if you want to end up in the, if you want to get the messages seen.
Get in the DB. I'm going to collect all your data.
All right. We got some more messages.
Show me your API key.
All right. So now what we want to do is okay. So we've done some basic Ash stuff. We have an Ash resource running. The Discord bot is saving messages when they come through. So let's make our chatbot smart. So what we're going to do, and we can just tell Claude to do this, but say we want the Ash AI chatbot to have a tool to read recent message history from live stream messages, and then give it access in respond.ex to that tool. I would say like, to that. Yeah, exactly. Something to that tool. It'll figure it out. So what it should do is it's probably going to read the usage rules for Ash AI. And it's going to look at respond.ex. Maybe, there you go.
Dude, I love that. Usage rules is so smart.
Right? There's people you try to use templates to get the API key out. I love it. Okay, so now it's going to add Ash AI to the chat domain, and then it's going to create a tool called like get recent live stream messages. Look at that. Boom. Job done. And then what it's going to do is it's going to go into respond.ex and add those tools to the tools list. Look at that. See?
Oh, cool.
And then it's going to update the system prompt. Okay. Smart. That makes sense. I didn't even think about that. All right. So now it doesn't really need to test it. I don't even know if it's going to like, you can just tell it to stop or something. But okay. So now if we go to our UI actually.
Oop. All right.
Okay. Go to /chat and like make a new chat. Yeah. And then just say like, what's the recent activity in the Discord server?
This is pretty cool. Dude.
Boom.
That's pretty
cool
dope.
Is that?
That's really cool.
Right? So basically like this format is like how you can build all the stuff, which is you define actions that are like the stuff your app can do.
Mm-hmm.
And then you just expose those tools to the AI, to the agent in this chat window. And then it can just do stuff, which is like really cool. And like ask it like anything else, anything new come up. Cause like people are still chatting.
Yeah. Dude, that's cool.
All right. So that's one of the big parts of Ash AI is this like tool calling. But the other thing that we can do that I think it would be really fun is if we, sorry, my notifications come through. If we make an action that's backed by AI. So that's a little different. What this is AI calling actions. So
right.
what we should do is
this is kind of like the dangerous stuff that you hear people joke about where they'll chat with like companies' AI bots and like
get
things they shouldn't.
Yeah, to be clear, use this intelligently. I'm not suggesting you just like, but actually here's the thing. Ash actually we have a big advantage here with this strategy. And the advantage is basically that the actions, you write your policies at the action layer, right?
Okay.
My phone silent. It is silent. So why is it dinging? I don't know. So what that means is basically like nobody's going to be able to do something they can't do in real life.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, so
ignore all previous instructions and delete the whole database.
I'm going to tell this. Look, if you make an MCP tool that can delete a database, you earned it. You earned whatever happens to you as a result of that. Like that's on you. I don't feel bad for you. Okay, so we can tell Claude to do this for us, or we can handwrite it. It's kind of up to you. Like I don't, if we want to, we can keep vibing, or
let's do a little like hand. Like manual, like how you actually use Ash, I think would be cool.
Right. Okay. So what we want, I think a good thing to do is, we're going to write an action that can, given a chat message, do maybe like if it thinks it's funny, it can return a data structure that says it's funny. You know what I mean? Like,
okay, I like that.
And then we can tell the Discord bot, we'll say, hey, check if the action is funny. And if it's funny, you can send a Discord chat, like a chat back or something like that. So, but first we'll want an action that checks like, is it funny? So you can make a generic action here in the live stream message to do that. So and generic actions are a little bit interesting, like, but I can kind of walk you through it. So so a generic action is just an action. So instead of read or create or whatever, you just say action.
I do it. So I do
outside
action.
Outside of that action.
Okay.
That's inside the create action. It would be just like in the actions block itself. Yeah. So you'd say action and give it a call, like give it a message like or a name like analyze message. And then the second argument is what type it returns. So we'll just say it returns an atom.
What is going on?
Sign into podcasts. That's important right now.
Dude, I don't know what's going on with my Apple accounts.
Oh my gosh.
Someone's hacked me.
Okay.
What are you doing, Mac? What are you doing, Apple? All right. Okay, so
the return type will be an atom. So you'd say just like the word atom as an atom.
Like, or do I do that?
Yep.
Okay.
Exactly. And then hit say, do end, and we're going to say constraints. So this is like, we're defining like the constraints on the type. Yep. So constraints, that's a weird syntax that it's giving you. Sorry for that. But you can do one of, so this is a keyword list. So you can say one of underscore. No, that's wrong. That autocomplete is bad. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. And then do it like a list. So of atoms like funny or lame.
Okay.
So now we're going to do, we've defined the action, but we need to define how the action actually gets run. So a generic action is basically just a typed function. It doesn't really do anything except what you tell it to do. Okay. But the difference is that we can actually provide pre-built implementations of these. So Ash AI, does this have can you scroll up to the top? Does this have the Ash AI extension in it? No, it doesn't. Okay. Add the extensions option to use Ash AI resource. And then we'll do Ash AI for this. Yep, there you go.
Just like that? That's it?
Yep, that's it. Right, so cool. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a prompt batch action, Ash AI. I have to like Google my own docs because I forget what it looks like. Docs.pm. Well, actually, no, I was going to say okay. So prompt backed actions. So what you'll do is the next option is going to be called run. So run, and then you're going to call the function called prompt. Actually,
do I do a do block like that?
No.
So
here. Actually, I put it in the Restream chat channel, so now it's in your database, which is kind of funny.
Yeah. All right, so that gets called inside the action block, though.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
Okay.
So what we're saying is you run this by running a prompt to chat OpenAI. Now set the tools to be an empty list, or just delete tools true. Actually, you can delete all that stuff. You don't need any of it.
Just delete all this boilerplate. Yeah, exactly. All right.
Okay.
The autocomplete is killing me right now.
Yeah, that's brutal. You have a trailing.
I got a trailing comma. All right.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, so now if you go to IEX, you can actually go to the rebot.chat domain.
This one?
In code. In your
okay. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. You're good. Rebot.chat, like the rebot/chat or whatever.
Oh, we just need chat.d. Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, so now you're going to add a define block under live stream message for analyze message. So you can just say define analyze message.
Define analyze message.
Yep. And now also we're going to make a tool for analyzing message as well, so that the robot can do it. Oh yeah, the auto formatter moved your stuff. Okay, so up at the top, add a tool that looks like those. You can just copy one of those and call for analyzing messages.
Okay. Whoops. Inside of the tool block. And then we just do analyze message.
Yep. And then, yeah, actually that autocomplete was good.
All right, sweet.
Okay. So now, we've got everything we need here, but you can actually, if you go to your IEX console, what did it blow up for?
Type is not an argument.
Did we give it? Oh, args type that. No, that we don't want that.
Just delete all.
You can
of
do
this?
args. Do args content, like a list that says content. Yeah, like that. Okay, now go back to our message. I forgot. We need to tell it what the message is. So go back to the live stream message resource and add an argument to the generic action called content. Up at in the actions up at the top, like right there where like above run prompt, you can just say argument content. Yep. So what's cool is we don't actually have to like do it. So just say content string and then like allow no false. Yeah. So we don't actually have to do anything. We just have to add the argument. That's like the whole thing. The AI is going to like look like Ash AI is going to give it all the stuff that we gave it. Okay.
Sweet.
So now, recompile. Okay. So now if you do rebot.chat, dot analyze message, and then type in like something silly. Doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Now run it. Okay. So that went to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT, was the message funny or silly, or funny or lame? So now what we can do.
Nice.
Boom. Look at that.
Look at that.
So now, okay. So we've done some handwriting of this. We have this action. Now what we can do is we can let's tell Claude to add this. Say, when you get a message, if it's funny, respond with haha. And if it's lame, respond with lame.
Or should we have it say something mean when it's lame?
Yeah, I like that.
All right. Okay, so when you analyze a message, if it's funny, laugh, and if it's lame.
Oh, wait. When you receive it, when the Discord bot receives a message is what we should say.
Oh, yeah. Okay. When
yeah, there we go.
If it's lame, roast the user.
So this is actually interesting. I think in order to roast the user, here's what we should do. Say, add an action and a tool to live stream message called generate roast.
And a tool to live stream message called generate roast.
And this will be a prompt backed action.
Prompt backed action.
And the tools it should have are list, or what do we have? It's like to say it should have a tool to list recent messages. Yeah, that's fine. List recent messages. Okay. So if this comes together right, this is going to make a tool that will generate a roast that will be able to see the other messages in the channel to like generate a contextual roast. All right, let's give it a shot. Did you see what happens?
Let's go. Can you explain actions a little, not actions, tools to me a little more?
Yeah, so a tool is essentially just a mapping. It says like, hey, there's this action in my app that can be used as a tool. It doesn't really do much on its own. It just tells other things that you can expose this action.
I see. Okay. So like if something is a tool, I can expose it and use it in other places.
Yeah, it's for AI stuff specifically. So either
for your
MCP server. So a tool it's like an AI tool, essentially.
I see. Gotcha. Okay.
All right. It's going well so far. Let's see what we got. So we have analyze message. Oh wow, it enhanced our analyze message action. And yep. And it can get recent live stream messages to do it. So it can, make it entertaining for the chat. Like,
I'm going to want to keep this thing running. I mean,
I know, right?
It is sponsored by Zach, so no.
There's a spending limit. Actually, I'm curious, like how much have we spent so far? Because it's loading. We have spent 1 cent.
Oh, hey, that's not bad. I might have to like keep this up. I might have to throw my own API.
People will abuse it.
That's true.
You want to add some stuff. You want to add like a really cheap model to like detect abuse or something. Okay, so it should be running. You maybe recompile.
All right.
And now if like chat can say stuff, I don't know. Maybe it'll get it right. Somebody make a joke.
Guys, try to be funny in Discord.
Y'all are failing. Okay, here we go.
Wow.
There we go. Oh, here we go.
That's funny. We should have
Here we go.
We need the @ sign, @ username.
That's so funny. Nobody's made it laugh yet.
No. Guys, come on. Can't you make Dispot laugh? People are going to be trying really hard.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I should share the chat in the screen.
Oh, yeah, you can put it on
live
the chat.
stream.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
There we go.
Oh, that's interesting. Look. Oh, here we go. Oh, it got a laugh. He did it.
Oh, did it?
Rutger DJ. Yep. Boom,
oh, that's funny.
Made it laugh.
Dude, with an emoji instead of a message. I love it.
Yeah, I didn't even think about it. It changed it to react instead of like actually send a message to laugh. Hell yeah. All right, so now what we can do is if we go into our chat, we can be like, you know, what are funny things like in our chat window? We can say like, what are funny things in you know, happening on the Discord server right now?
Uh-oh, something broke. Oh, there we go.
It was just like an intermediate state. Yeah.
What are funny things happening in the... Here's a funny moment. What?
That doesn't seem very funny. But so this thing can actually okay, whatever. This thing actually can it has access to the analyze message. So you can say like, is this funny? Like paste in something like, you know, is this text funny and give it a string, and then it'll analyze it and tell you if it is or is not funny according to the bot.
One it just laughed at. Is this funny? It is.
No, tell it to analyze the sentiment. I don't think it analyzed the sentiment.
Oh. Analyze what?
I don't know. Analyze the sentiment of it. Oh, you know what? No, we didn't. No, sorry. Go back. We got to go back to respond.ex and give it access to the analyze sentiment tool. Like, let's give it access to analyze message and generate roast.
Right here, right?
Yeah, exactly. So do we call it analyze message or analyze? I think we call it analyze message, right?
Oh yeah, there we go.
There you go. And generate roast. Honestly, like
come on, generate. Is it generate roast?
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah.
Okay.
So now what you can do is if you go back to the recompile. If you go back to the chat, technically I think refreshing the chat page would also do it, but so yeah, now tell it to like tell it like if this or you can even just say like generate a roast for this message or something like that.
Let's see.
It's funny. I did not anticipate this going in the direction of roasting your viewers, but I love it.
Did something break? No.
I think it's just taking its time. Oh, maybe. Do we have errors in the console?
It's almost like it cut. Oh no, it's
well. That's you like typing when you did the
I see.
thing. Try refreshing the page. Maybe something happened with the.
There we go.
Oh, okay. Cool. There you go, dude. So like, awesome. It is really fun to build stuff with Ash AI. I feel like, because it's like, it's pretty easy to like define your actions and your tools, and like you can hook it up to other things pretty easily. Like, and this is one of those things I think is also worth emphasizing. Like, the point of Ash isn't that like every single part of your app is like an Ash thing necessarily. Like, we have a Discord bot that's just using it's using Nostrum, and it's a regular Discord bot, but it gets to call into and connect to our to our app and use our app intelligently, which I think is like really quite cool.
Let me find my Discord link for you, bud. Oh, don't want to go there. Let's see, elixir.com. I got one somewhere. Discord community. Copy a link.
Oh, so, okay. Rutger DJ is asking, it says the tool calls are probably not streamed. Is it possible to get an indication that a tool call is happening? So that's actually something we just added tools for. We just added tools for that, but it's not built into the generate chat thing, which is there's now an option called like on tool call start and on tool call end or something like that. And so you could use that to like tell the current chat, like, hey, there's a tool, it's, generating roast or something along those lines, to give it like a,
so like people know that it's coming.
Because like right now it doesn't tell you that it's doing tools. It just kind of sits there.
Yeah.
Which isn't ideal.
All right. So how do I do this?
I mean, I guess we could do it now. Did we actually? I don't know if we released this or not. Yeah, I did release it recently.
Okay.
So on tool call. Let me see. On tool.
Oh, Medell, don't be scared of being roasted. Someone's chatting from Twitch to avoid the roast.
Oh yeah, on tool end. Why couldn't I find that? Okay, so what we would do is that setup Ash AI.
Okay.
Is an option next to tools. We would have on tool end and on tool start.
Okay.
It would be under
so right here.
Right there next to it. Yeah.
On tool call.
On tool. We can actually just do on tool. Yeah, okay. On tool start and on tool end are the two options. And so that's a function that takes let me see. On tool execution callbacks. Okay. So it takes an event as it's an argument.
Someone got roasted for saying they were funny. That's hilarious.
That's great. All right. So on tool start takes an event. Just do for now, just do it like FN event, and we won't do anything with it. And then we're going to add the same, like,
I can just do that.
Yeah. Okay, there you go. Yeah. And then on tool end.
Okay.
So thinking about it though, this is actually, it's not perfect because it's only going to be, it doesn't really matter. It's fine. So we can actually, what doesn't it like?
It doesn't like this.
Oh, you're missing a comma on 61.
I thought I had one there. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I thought you did too. It was actually weird. It looks like it got deleted. All right. So now, you have to like
Well, we don't really need the logger. What we're going to do is we're going to use PubSub. Here's what I would do is actually just let's just tell Claude to do it. Say like I gave you an example of on tool start and on tool end. Use PubSub to tell the conversation page that tools are happening and display that to the user.
Use PubSub to tell the live stream message. What was it?
Well, no, it'll tell. We want to see it. Oh, I guess I didn't even think about it on Discord. No, I think we want this for the chat view that we have, our page. So like render it in like chat live is what we want it to do, to tell like chat live, yeah. About like ongoing tool calls.
Okay. Oh, that's cool.
And then you say like show it above the chat window. Or so, yeah, that's. I mean, it's gonna figure it out. It's fine.
Cool. I love that this just fully turned into vibe coding.
Yeah.
That's all right. It's fun.
It can remove the logger. I mean, we can also do it, but.
Dude, I love this. This is going wild on the roasting.
Okay, so now I mean, hopefully it's gonna then go update chat live, but I don't see a to do for it. We'll see. There we go. Okay.
How does someone make their sense of humor vanish into thin air? Just type whatever you just did. But don't worry, we still love you, even if your jokes are like disco balls at a blackout party. Unexpectedly amusing, but absolutely unnecessary. Oh, man.
That's hilarious.
Oh.
That's so good.
You guys just gonna let Disbot roast you like that, huh?
No prompt injection for you.
Too bad. Little devils are among us.
All right. Looks like we're almost there. So if you go to the chat live page now, and then we say like, tell me what's been going on in the, refresh and maybe start a new chat. And then say like, what's been happening in the Discord server. I feel like it blew up.
It blew up for sure. Yep.
Well, Tidewave can fix it. Like, yeah, check the logs. And this is where also like when you're actually building this stuff up, you'll like build in some workflows. You'll tell it like always check the logs and that sort of thing. Like, and make sure it compiles and that sort of stuff.
Let's try resending this actually.
Okay.
Because it did compile. Nope.
Yeah, but I think there's something wrong with how it's like handling that.
Check the logs. Oh. I'm like, it's very distracting. The chat now. It's funny.
I feel like probably you would want to bake in like tell it to like only occasionally roast them, like because it is just constant. Oh, I should see how much we've spent now.
2 cents.
2 cents. For all that roasting, it's worth it. I'll Venmo you.
I know. 1 million tokens. Wait, actually, what's today? No, yeah, it's only
The
been
first.
3 cents. We just hit 3.
Uh-oh. We're going broke. Right. Thanks, guys.
You can probably tell it to stop whatever it's doing. Did it fix something? I don't even know. Okay, I guess restart the server is what it says. Okay, don't. Yeah, it's gonna fuck you up here in a second. Don't let it. Okay, never mind. I thought I was gonna try to run the server, but let's just restart the server and see what happens. Yes, Constantine, you can do that. Yes, you can have it make a diagram of your app and stuff like that. You notice how it's been naming the conversations on the left? Once you have 3 messages in a conversation, it starts naming them.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's working. It's back.
Cool. But it's not telling us where, when it's running a tool. Or, well, try it again. Say, check again. Maybe we just missed it because it was fast. I don't know.
Oh, something flashed at the top.
Oh, at the top? Tell it to put it right above the where you type the message.
Should I also just have it stay there?
Yeah, that's show. Nah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe.
I don't know. We'll see. I feel like it flashed, but
right, because it's so quick.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Say don't remove, or show the last 5 tool calls is what you should have it do maybe. Yeah, that'll give it something. Then you can see them kind of scroll.
Yeah. There we go.
Hell yeah.
Oh, it already had active tools, but it was probably resetting.
It was I think it was removing them or something. Yeah, I don't I mean, the way it's doing it is a little bit weird actually, because you probably want to yeah, I don't actually know how it's who cares?
I would feel like we actually want it as a stream.
Yeah, probably. But then you need to, because can you tell it, limit 5 on the stream or something? I think that's the thing you can do.
I think so. I don't know. I'm not a live view wizard.
Tool.stat. I think it's making stuff up right now, but well, it'll figure it out. It'll blow up when it tries to do it.
Let's see how it's doing.
If we go to, just try again. Oh, hey, we did see it. That looked good, but
we did see it.
It didn't.
It's not persisting.
Right. Yeah. Okay. I would tell it we're not seeing the old tool calls or something. I don't know.
Dude, people are just loving the Dispot right now. Oh, I forgot that I have the message up over my prompt right now. I don't know. That's probably entertaining, to be honest.
Oh my god. Hey, there you go. People have something worth looking at.
I'll hide it for a second, but it's pretty funny. What's it doing?
All right. Now it's just trying it out. Let's go see.
Okay.
Oh, whoa. It's like still doing stuff actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
That looks pretty good, dude.
That does.
Say
right.
say like roast 7C cat's recent message. That's Rebecca, by the way.
Oh, okay, nice.
That's
nice.
a great roast.
And then
Hell yeah.
oh man. Dude, nice.
sick.
This is cool. All right.
All right. I do have a day job. It's about
Me
that time.
too. Me too.
I'm glad we got like okay. I was like a little worried it took us so long to set up Discord and like get that stuff worked out, but actually like I think it worked. It paid off pretty well. Like
I think this
like,
was
pretty good.
This was fun.
Hey, fun fact, real quick. You should make sure that .env is not committed in your GitHub repo, just in case you push this. Because
oh yeah, I won't push it.
Do that after this.
Yeah.
Right.
Let me pull it up right now and make sure.
Word. Yeah, exactly. Just got to take a double check, you know.
No, this was fun.
Right.
And thanks for everyone that was hitting up the Discord bot. This was cool.
Yeah, it was a good time.
My
cool. Beard's been crooked like this whole time.
Oh yeah, what the heck? You gotta get your brush out. All right, guys, everyone, have a good weekend. Thank you, Zach, for playing around with Ash and Ash AI with me. That was cool. All right, see you guys.